Antioxidants in sweet potatoes combat oxidative stress, which is crucial for overall health, especially during the busy holiday season when indulgence is common. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can help you enjoy festive foods without sacrificing nutritional value. Sweet potatoes, the superfood for festive health. Looking for a healthier twist on your holiday feasts? Sweet potatoes might be just your new favorite superfood. Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and I'm thrilled to guide you through incorporating nutritious options into your holiday celebrations. Sweet potatoes are delicious and they're packed with essential nutrients that can enhance your holiday meals. They are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full. High in vitamins A and C, they support your immune system and they promote healthy skin. Are you curious about how sweet potatoes can support your health? Let's dive into the powerful benefits of this versatile vegetable. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. Their high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, and they help maintain energy and they can control your cravings. With the vitamin A, they support eye health and they boost your immune system, especially during this holiday season when colds and flus are more common. Vitamin C and antioxidants also help enhance immune function and protect your body from free radical damage. By including sweet potatoes in your diet, you're giving your body an essential nutrient boost that supports your immune system. Ready to spice up your holiday meals? We have some creative and healthy sweet potato recipes to make your festivities both flavorful and nutritious. Sweet potatoes can be a delicious and healthy addition to your holiday table. Try baking them with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a handful of nuts for a sweet, nutritious side dish. Prepare a healthy sweet potato casserole with reduced sugar and add spices like nutmeg and ginger for a heartier option. If you're in the mood for dessert, consider making a sweet potato pie with light natural sweetener to keep it festive yet balanced. These recipes can add a nutritious twist to your holiday fare and offer a variety of flavors that will satisfy your taste buds and keep your meals health conscious. Are you enjoying holiday treats but you don't want to overdo it? The holiday season is synonymous with rich foods, indulgent treats, but you can still enjoy the festivities and maintain your nutrition. Sweet potatoes are a great way to incorporate that into your holiday meals. But just be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overindulgence. Try to balance richer dishes with nutrient-dense options like sweet potatoes. Consider swapping out some traditional ingredients for healthier alternatives. You can still savor the holiday flavors, focus on balance and moderation while supporting your overall health. Sweet potatoes are lower on the glycemic index, and so they won't spike your sugars as much as white rice would or processed pastas. And so try sweet potatoes. We're here to empower you to take control of your health.